going to be showing you hacks that will actually make your life easier, better, and affordable. Fix stinking drain with mouthwash. Pour 3 cupfuls of mouthwash in your stinking drain, and it's gonna smell better, fresher, and minty because mouthwash has antibacterial property in it that will fight bad breath. This will kill off all the germs. Okay, then the next hack is fix a discolored coffee mug with baking soda. Get 3 tablespoons of the baking soda, add little water, and make a paste out of it. Then use it to wash your mug, and it's gonna look sparkling clean, just like a new one. Yes, just baking soda, that's all you need. Look at that. That cup look sparkling clean again. Yes, that's my favorite cup and I love it. Look at that. Yes, make sure to try it out. So if you're loving this hacks so far, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and also comment down below what you think of this hacks. The number 3 on the list is fix dull flatware with foil. Roll up a piece of foil, get your utensils, either your fork, spoon, knife, your silverware, add some warm water in it, add little dish soap, and leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse it out. Your utensils are gonna be sparkling clean again, just like brand new. I've tried this hack several times. It works, my people. Make sure to try it out. Okay? Yes. Look at that. Look at that fork, it's sparkling clean. Okay, so make sure to try it out. The next one is double the size of your closet with just countertop. Countertop can do a lot. Hang a tab from a hanger, then loop the second hanger through the bottom of the whole tab. And do this with all your clothes. And you're going to have a lot of space to hang your clothes in your closet. Okay? Try it out. I love this hack. I use it every time. Make sure to try it out. It works. Leave me a comment below if you've tried any of the hack and you don't like it. Just leave me a comment below. I love to hear your thoughts and your feedback. Okay? So the last but not the least is fix fabric stain with shaving cream. How to fix it? I pour some coffee on my shirt just to show you how it works. Add some shaving cream on it and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Wash it out with warm water, and your clothes, your stain is going to be gone. Your clothes is going to be sparkling clean and brand new again. So if you have stain on your clothes, don't worry too much. Just make sure you try this hack. Grab your shaving cream and use it. Okay? If you love this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe below, and also comment down as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Peace out.